All right. Ho, 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 everyone, and Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas, is it? Thank you, Chantal, for that. I'm just starting to read the rest of the script now. So, everyone, hi. My name is Shane, and today we're not going to talk about Christmas. We're going to talk about interjections. So, what's an interjection? It's a sound or a word that you make that stands away from the rest of a sentence. Like ho, ho, ho. Thank you, Chantal. Okay. Interjections. Well, now that we're on the right topic, I can say, phew, I dodged a bullet there. Phew. Or maybe you guys might be thinking, I already know what an interjection is. Well, you could also say things that, express certain feelings. My compliments to the chef. Sometimes you're not certain, and you might say something like, I don't know where this is going because I was expecting a different video. But sometimes you can think a little bit, what can I do now with this new information? Sometimes we use interjections as a way of expressing specific sounds, like in comic books. Zap, pow, kaboom. I did not get out of the video fast enough. Oh, Chantal, I'm not happy. Sometimes it's painful, and you might have to express your pain. Ouch! Or also, ow! Got a paper cut that time. Sometimes you make a realization, and you might think, oh, but you might have seen oh in the past, and you might not think it means the same thing. Well, sometimes interjections have different meanings for the same word or the same sound. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, is that what we're doing? Oh, okay. We're not talking about Christmas. Wow is another one. Wow, that's amazing. Sometimes you can use it as a kind of sarcasm. Wow. Or, for example, whoop-de-doo. Sometimes you get it right, and you're thinking, hooray, that's great. Or maybe you might hear another one, something from Homer Simpson, woohoo! Or one that's similar to what you guys might say, yippee! When everything is going great. Well, interjections, sounds and words that don't need a sentence to provide context. Yeah. Wow. Oh, okay. Good. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully for Christmas stuff.